Look at that amber pudding made. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're in Wales, we're doing an amber pudding. Now an amber pudding can be made two ways and I'm just making it one way. We'll probably do the different version a little bit further down the line, then we'll have both versions online. However, this is a simple recipe to knock together. A little sweet pudding, tastes absolutely fantastic, definitely worth making. Now I am using, okay, I've already cooked this, but we're pretending it's a ready-made pie case. So use a ready-made pie case or make one yourself. Now don't forget, if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and ring that bell. Let's get on and do it, come on. In here, sugar. In here, melted butter. So we're going to put that melted butter in with that sugar. Now this is ridiculously quick, this, because we're using a pie case. And I mean ridiculously quick. So what we're going to do, we're going to put the oven on. Okay, we want the oven on. I want a temperature of 180. You guys probably want a temperature of 190 if you're using an oven at home. Cream the butter and sugar. Not going to cream too much, but it's going to actually break down the sugar. Okay, our eggs and egg yolk in there. In there with our lemon juice and in there with our marmalade. In we go. Job done. Splashed a bit of the egg there, look. Tart tin, egg mixture in. That in the oven, half an hour. Bake. We're baking for 30 minutes, we're at 180. In fact, we're going to bring the temperature down. We're going to cook at 160 for 30 minutes and that should be okay. Okay, let's have this out of the oven, that's enough. There we have it, that looks absolutely fabulous. But the bit you're not going to see is that bit there. That's where the fan has been blowing around in the air fryer. Oh, nightmare. Not to worry, because with this amber pudding it's camouflaged with even more sugar, powdered sugar over the top, so that will hide that. We're not worried about that. Let it cool down, let it sink, let it level out, and then we'll put some powdered sugar on, take it out the tin, and we will cut some. So when you buy this thing, you know, it's normally dusted with sugar over the top. So we're going to do the same, but we're going to dust it from a great height as per usual. So we get a mess everywhere, but you know, we're going to camouflage that little bit on there, look. So it's a case of now you see it, now you don't. We've hidden it underneath that icing sugar. So it looks like a really fantastic amber pudding. Okay, let's get that out of there and let's give it a cutting. Okay. I think we're stuck on the side. Somewhere there. I think. There we have it. That is our amber pudding. Now what we need to do is slide that off there. Whoa, fantastic. Okay, in we go. About there. And about there. If you're going to have a slice of amber pudding, you're going to have a slice. Look at that. Amber pudding made. Look at that. Amber pudding made. Let's give it a taste test. Okay, the taste test. Here we go. Now we know the pastry's okay underneath. Look. Pastry's fine. In here. Oh, look at that. Oh. Paddington Bear, eat your heart out. That is just like a marmalade custard. That is truly wonderful. Oh my word. That is delicious. Oh, long time since we made this, and I think we're missing out. This is still warm. When it's cooled down, it's going to be like a really nice marmalade custardy type pudding. It's absolutely superb. 5 milliliters of vanilla ice cream. So there you go, amber pudding made with that buttery pastry. You've got that marmalade custard type pudding. It's delicious. Really is really high quality. That really is a bit special. So don't forget, if you like the video, give it the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.